Speaking to the families, how much hope can you give them after hearing those noises?
Listen, I think you need to be careful. We need to have hope, right? But I can't tell you what the noises are. But what I can tell you is, and I think this is the most important point, we're searching where the noises are, and that's all we can do at this point. The surface search is now approximately 2 times the size of Connecticut, and the subsurface search is up to 2.5 miles deep, exponentially expanding the size of the search area.
Yo, honestamente, como participante de estas expediciones, sabía perfectamente los riesgos a los que nos involucrábamos. Firmamos un release de varias hojas, no recuerdo cuántas, en los cuales se explica cada uno de los riesgos a los que corres, incluyendo el perder la vida, por supuesto. Y nosotros, quienes estamos involucrados en estas expediciones, sabemos que esto es una expedición increíblemente riesgosa. Es decir, sabemos que no estamos yendo a un parque de diversiones.
I mean, it was not certified, so it had no oversight during design, fabrication, and testing. So it's self-certifying, and what you call experimental. And is there room for experimental? Yes. To take people down? No. If it's experimental, you should not be taking people down.